morning everyone, and for today's first look I'm going to do the Mystical Gloss Duo. This is really special in two ways. One is usually I start selling once I do my first impression, but this duo got sold out before I made it my first impression at all. And the second thing is Senegen's always runs different giveaways for distributors and the customers throughout the year when they release a new product, and I won this in the recent giveaway, and I got a full set on that, so that's the second surprise. So let's go ahead and do the gloss duo. So it came with two glosses, two full-size glosses, and it came with this blue bag, and as always you can grab them individually. Particularly being winter, these glosses will be really helpful for you to have like a very light lip tint or else like a lip balm, since they have vitamin E and shea butter. So make sure to grab one if you're someone who has dry lips. That way it can be moisturized, and also it has a very slight tint to it. Two shades are, one is Pink Fortune and one is Mystic Berry. Here the Mystic Berry is obviously a berry tone with red and violet glitters to it, whereas Pink Fortune is more of a metallic tint. You can see in the tube itself it's like a pearly finish with like a blue tint to it. So that's the two shades, and they can be worn on its own, or you can top it on top of any lip sense to seal the color. So let's go ahead and start with Pink Fortune because that's the lightest of the two. This will be just one layer of Pink Fortune on me. If you want, you can always add one more layer to it, unless how much ever you want. The glosses will either be absorbed or it will smudge. It's not all day wear, and as I always mention, you can pick any nude tones to go underneath. That way it cannot change the color of the gloss. At the same time it will have more holding power. This makes perfect gifts for teens and kids. Well, that way it is not lip sense and you don't have to remove it and all. It will go by itself, and at the same time it can act as just like a tinted lip balm, so that way they will have a slight tint to it, but at the same time you don't have to worry about taking it off at the end of the day. And as I mentioned, it's going to moisture your lips the whole day. So this is Pink Fortune on me. So let's go ahead and remove and do the next one. I'm going to use the Fuchs remover to remove it. That way I don't have any of the color left, and you can see it it's nice and clean. Next one is the Mystic Berry. So if you're a berry lover, then obviously this will work for you. So this is just one layer of Mystic Berry on me. Berry tones work really well on my skin tone. I like berries and like purples a lot. So this is like such a easy way for you to get ready. If you're in my 5-minute quick get ready ones, I have always showed the glosses, and you can see it's nice and full size, so they will last you for so long. And being a gloss, whether it's glossy gloss or any gloss, you can even use it at night because it's going to get absorbed, at the same time act to protect your lips throughout the day. So always glosses are like a must have. If you are not the difference between the glosses and the lip balm is lip balm will give you a matte look, whereas this will give you a glossy lips look. So I am a more of a glossy lip person. Like I like it to show that way because it feels more healthier when it has a nicely moisturized and have a glossy look. So as I mentioned, even if you grab like a nude pink or anything underneath, you just do one layer of it and top it with these kind of glosses to go well. So that's the first impression for today. Hope you liked it. So it comes with two glosses. One is Pink Fortune, which is like a pearly iridescent feel. The second one is the Mystic Berry, which is has little bit of glitters to it. So, and it comes with a blue bag if you grab as a collection. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.